Balancing chemical equations. Let's begin with the formation of iron 3 sulfate. When iron 3 oxide reacts with sulfur trioxide, we will form iron 3 sulfate. In balancing the equations, we must first recognize that there are two atoms of iron on each side of the equation. In this case, the iron is balanced. There's one atom of sulfur on the left side and three atoms of sulfur on the right side. So we must place a coefficient of 3 in front of SO3 on the left side of the equation. Now the equation is balanced, where 1 mole of Fe2O3 reacts with 3 moles of SO3 to form 1 mole of Fe2 parentheses SO4 3. Now for thioformaldehyde reacting with fluorine gas. When thioformaldehyde reacts with fluorine gas, it will produce CF4 plus HF plus SF6, or carbon tetrafluoride plus hydrogen fluoride plus sulfur hexafluoride. There is one atom of carbon on each side of the equation, which means that the carbons are balanced. There is one atom of sulfur on each side of the equation, which means that the sulfur is also balanced. There are two atoms of hydrogen on the left side and one atom of hydrogen on the right side. So place a 2 in front of hydrogen fluoride. There are two atoms of fluorine on the left side and 12 atoms of fluorine on the right side, where 4 atoms of fluorine comes from carbon tetrafluoride. 2 atoms of fluorine comes from 2 moles of hydrogen fluoride, and 6 atoms of fluorine comes from sulfur hexafluoride. This gives 12 atoms of fluorine. So place a 6 in front of the F2, which will balance the fluorine atoms. Now the equation is balanced.